All right. MC with Tech, back with another video. This time I'm doing a video about the Brookstone 3-in-1 robotic floor cleaner for hard surfaces. So it's for hard surfaces only. It will not work on carpet. That's the knock on this. So this is for hard surfaces only. So if you got carpet at home and you want a robo floor cleaner or vacuum, forget it. It ain't gonna work, not on carpet. So this is the Brookstone 3-in-1 floor cleaner for hard surfaces. So it's designed for hard surfaces only. I'm gonna say that again. It's designed for hard surfaces only. It has an advanced sensor. So as I get ready to do this unboxing, let me say this. I've already checked it out, took it out. So the unboxing is just for the video. So it's already been unboxed. I tested it and you're going to see it in the video. This is an interesting device. So you can get this for $30 or $40 from Brookstone, and it's going to cost you $30, $40. And it's interesting because, like I said, it says it has an advanced sensor. So with the aspect of it being an advanced sensor, let me tell you, it bumps into shit. I'm just going to be honest with you. It bumps into shit and then it reverses. So it's not stopping anywhere. You'll see in the video, it's not going to just like stop automatic. And then before it hits your cabinets or hits something, a hard surface, but it's going to do what it's supposed to do. And you also have to look at the price. $30 to $40. So you're not finna get no top of the line, top notch robo vacuum cleaner that's going to not bump into shit. So we're going to say that off the rip. It's going to bump into something. So it has 360 motion. It has a rechargeable battery, and then it is pet friendly. So it sweeps and dusts all non-carpet hard surfaces. So let's take a look. This is the front of the box by Brookstone. This is how the device looks. Same as on the box. You can get this in black. I think you should always get it in white. So let's look at the box. So you're going to get the full 360 motion. You're going to get that with an efficient dust wipe. You're going to get that with spin sweepers. So you're going to get that with spin sweepers for it sweeps up the dust and the dirt. You're going to get that with high suction volume, and it has the detachable dust wipe, and it has rugged wheels. So this is the box. So let's unbox the device. Like I said, this is pet friendly. So we're going to unbox it. So this has multiple functions, advanced functions for you'll get that advanced triple function design for sweeping, lifting, and suction. So it's going to suction. It's going to have a suction. And it, like I said, has a rechargeable battery. So all you have to do is plug this in. You plug this in USB-A to micro charging. So you're getting that USB-A to micro charging. It would have been nice if it was type C charging, which gives you a faster charge, but we're going to take it for what it is for, like I said, for $30 to $40. So we're going to open this up. Let's get this unboxed. So we're going to pull the boy out. And so this is the Brookstone floor cleaner. So like I said, I've already had it in the bottom box. So you're going to get your warranty information. You're going to get in, it comes in this. So like I said, I unboxed this already. So you're going to get this brush, and on the bottom of it, I'll show you as I get this unraveled. So let's take this and set this to the side. So on the bottom of it, you're going to get these brushes. So these are your brushes you're going to get. You're going to have to pop those in. You get these brushes. You're going to have to pop them in. The wheel. And then this is the vacuum. And then this is that filter. This is that little dust filter. So you're going to get that. So that is it right there. You also get this brush for helping cleaning and getting that dirt and debris out. So We're going to take all this and we're going to set this to the side. This is your quick start guide for how to set it up and how to put the brushes on and get everything together. And then we're going to have the charging cable. So as you can see, this is the charging cable, type A to micro charging on that. So this is going to be your power indicator. Oh, let me turn it back over. So let me do this. Let me spin this around because we're going to pop this open. This is how all this looks. So as you can see, you pop that open. You can lift this up. For cleaning, you got your filter. Get your little dirt and debris. You can take this out and get this all cleaned up. I ain't going to do it on camera, but you can do all that. And that's going to be basically how you set that up. And what you would do is if you wanted to power that on, you're going to power that on right here on this side. You hit that power button and it's ready to go. So we're going to take and turn it back off. And then let me do that. Once we turn it on, you're going to hit that button. You hear that going? To me, it's a minor noise. I did watch a review video, and the guy was complaining how noisy it is. It's not that bad. So as you can hear through the mics, it's not that bad. So we're going to turn that off. And so let's turn it back around. So as you can see, it lights up blue when it's going. When it is charging, you're going to get a red indicator light. Now, this is fully charged, so we just going to let it do what it do. It's not like this is the greatest thing. It has a lot of features, but this is basically how it's featured. So let me pop this filter back in here correctly. That way, everything sits right. So as you can see, you want to put this in here correctly and make sure it's flush. So now that I got everything back together and everything is flush, it is an interesting device. Like I said, there's not much to this video. This is a real quick unboxing. I'm going to show you how it works and operates. So what you're going to need though, because you do not get a charging block with this. This works like your phone, you know, as far as a charger. A lot of companies are going to that type of hookup. You're going to need a charging block or a USB-A connection for you can put this into a wall socket or with an extension because it's not really a that long of a cord. So what you definitely going to want to do is have a charging block for this. So with that being said, let's get back into more of the video. Let me show you how this works. Okay. So what we're going to do, we're going to take it. We're going to look at the vacuum. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that it's on. And so this is how this basically operates. So that we are following it. See how it bumps into things? And this is what it's doing. So what you can do is as it is moving, you can take your lazy A double scribble or your lazy ass and go sit on the couch and let the vacuum do the job until you feel that it's done its job. So as you can see, this is what type of cleaning you're going to get from the vacuum. Like I said, it's going to bump into things and clean your floor as it goes. See, like one of the problems is with it, it kind of got trapped. So as I was saying, you see how the vacuum operates? Look how it got trapped in between things. And that's a knock for me. Because see, the sensor was like really one of those really active sensors. When it hits something, it wouldn't even hit it and bump into anything. But does it work? Absolutely. I'm going to tell you, if you don't want to pay for one that's high end, $200 or $300, this will work. This will work, but you're not going to get it to stop from hitting things. And that's kind of a problem for me. But does it do its job? Yes. See how it keeps bumping into everything? Yeah. That's what you're going to get with the vacuum. So, if you want to, they go to the fact of now you can't use it on carpet. So with that being said, if you want to invest in, it takes $30, $40 and you just don't feel like getting up every day and you want to sweep your floor every other day and you don't want to feel like doing it, you can put this little thing to the test. I'm not going to say it's going to do work any perfect. Watch that. Boom. And once again, oh, that time it did not get stuck on the carpet. So it has its ups and downs. But as you can see, does it sweep my floor? Absolutely. I think my wife will be a little bit happy with it. She actually is the one who purchased it. But yeah, it'll go through and do the job. Man, what my problem is bam, when it gets stuck. But does it work? Yes. All right, so back MC with Tech. And so that is pretty much the video on the Brookstone 3-in-1 floor cleaner or vacuum floor cleaner. It is a vacuum, but I really want to say, just like it says on the box, floor cleaner, because at the end of the day, to me, you use vacuum on a carpet. Now, you do have some that you can use on hard surfaces also, and that's what this is supposed to be. And it's going to keep your little dust and little papers that might fall that you can't see, you and your wife, like me and my wife does. And we want to put this out every other day while we're sitting there watching TV. You heard it. It doesn't make that loud of a noise. It's not going to like interrupt your TV or anything like that. But will it get the job done? Absolutely. Is it worth $30? Yeah, absolutely. Would I have paid $200 or $300 for that? Absolutely not. I don't want to hear it clinking and clanking and on bumping and everything. And that's why I said, if you're going to spend the money for one of these floor cleaners that you want to do your floor, first of all, get one that can do carpet and hardwood floors. That's one. Two, get one that has a sensor where it's not bumping into anything. So with that being said, it's another video, MC with Tech. Here we go. $40. If you want to spend $40 on a vacuum like that, be my guest. You know what I'm saying? That's on you. Me personally, I like to sweep my floor with a broom, make sure everything is clean. and that's the video. MC with Tech. Hit like and subscribe. MC with Tech. Hit like and subscribe.